In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Ton from Bybit to Binance. So right now, I'm on the Bybit mobile app homepage. Click on the Assets tab at the bottom right corner of your screen and that will take you here. Tap on Withdraw. I don't have any Ton right now, but for this example, and since I have hide zero balances checked, I will not be seeing Ton. Let me uncheck this real quick. Now let's search for Ton here. And here we'll need to go ahead and get the address from our Binance. So let me go over to Binance, and here we are in our Binance mobile app homepage. And here, go ahead and head over into the Assets tab and click on that deposit button. Now in here, go ahead and enter Ton. Now we need to choose the network, so go ahead and select the open network. Now in here, you'll be able to find the QR code along with the address that you can use to send Ton to from Bybit to Binance. You'll just need to go ahead and scan this QR code into our Bybit account or copy this deposit address and head back to Bybit. So in the network address, you need to actually enter the network address that you've got. You'll need to enter the tag or memo. So you need to head back to Binance and copy that and head back into Bybit. And here you need to enter the amount of Ton that you want to send from your Bybit account into your Binance account, and after you enter that, you just need to click on that withdraw button at the bottom right of your screen. Once you withdraw your crypto to your Binance account, you'll immediately find that into your balance on your homepage. So that is how you can basically transfer Ton from Bybit to Binance. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.